Good morning. Let's talk about our another product, UTL Solar Gamma Plus Inverter. UTL Solar Gamma Plus Inverter comes with the latest technology RMPPT. This inverter comes absolutely free. Let us check how you will get such an advanced solar system as free. If you buy a 1400 VA inverter with 4 numbers of panel of 330 watt, it will produce the same electricity that 1 kVA UTL Solar Gamma Plus inverter with 3 numbers of panels of 330 watt can produce. That means we can save the price of one solar panel and its installation charges approximately 8,000 to 9,000 rupees. With these savings, you can buy a solar Gamma Plus inverter easily. Thus, Gamma Plus inverter becomes free. Let's understand how does it happen. We have already seen that we are using RMPPT technology in our Gamma Plus inverter. This RMPPT inverter is 30% more competent than normal inverters. What is RMPPT means? RMPPT means rapid maximum power point tracking. This is advanced solar technology. Maximum voltage produced in the solar panel is depends upon the availability of the sunlight. This voltage production may vary at different points. In such conditions, by using our RMPPT technology, we are identifying and extracting the maximum output voltage from the varying solar panel voltage. When this tracking is performed efficiently from sunrise to sunset, we can extract 30% more solar energy than the normal inverters. This RMPPT technology is very useful and efficient. That's why UTL Solar has patented this technology. UTL Solar Gamma Plus inverter gives double backup from one battery. If you want the backup of two battery from one, you can buy our Gamma Plus solar inverter. In this, the solar panel generates electricity and it works as backup also. So you will get backup of two battery from one battery and the solar panel. RMPPT technology made solar to do the work of second battery. Just like our UTL solar inverter Shamsi, Gamma Plus inverter also having three modes: PCU mode for village, hybrid mode for town, and smart mode for city. PCU mode is for cities. The cities have surplus electricity, so it will run the load with solar and battery and save electricity bill. Hybrid mode is for villages. In villages, during daytimes, the load will run on both solar and battery and keep battery charged for the backup at night. Smart mode is for towns where power generation and power saving both is needed, so it will work both for solar and electricity. UTL Solar Gamma Plus inverter has a LCD screen that shows the working condition of the inverter. If we check on any other normal inverter, we will never understand that whether it is working on battery, solar or electricity, or it is sharing the load. In our Gamma Plus inverter, we have using one LCD screen for understanding the condition. We can understand whether it is running our battery, solar or electricity by the color of the display. That by the color of the display. If there is any fault in the system, it is also displayed in the screen. UTL Gamma Plus inverter can also run through generator also. UTL Solar Gamma Plus inverter can be installed with any kind of batteries. You can use SMF gel or tubular batteries with our UTL Gamma Plus inverter. If you talk about the service, you will get service assistant within 24 to 48 hours after you registering your complaint. You can register your complaint either by WhatsApp or by calling. You will get service at your doorstep with Gamma Plus inverter. Install single battery and get the backup of double battery, and install two batteries and get triple battery backup. We have both options, 12 volt and 24 volt. You can calculate your load as per the given chart and can choose accordingly. What if UTL Solar Gamma Plus not purchased now? You need to pay full cost of ordinary inverter, whereas UTL Solar Gamma Plus will cost you for free. Money is yours, choice is yours. Thank you.